doesn't get to the stores.
That was a Voyager. Where's the steam engine?
And plane up there. So looks like we may or may not have just made it. 48007 is back to the farm, and now I'll step out. The end. Boy's going to drive right past. Don't stop there. Sit right at the back and get a few nice photos. So we're on 48007. he thought this ticket was a return, but it wasn't. So what I need to do is start putting them in my bag rather than holding them. I wish I recorded that. No. Okay, I hope none of you spoil that. It's gonna be awkward. Nice revs. Yes! He actually isn't. It's not that. From Rivercombe Village. Well, I'll see if I can ride it around the corner. When I get in town, I'll ask. It'd be nice to have a few more, to have a bit more of a ride on 48007 by day 15 ABF. And she's just recently come down to Exmouth. Yeah, they rerouted. Yeah, I don't know if you knew, but it used to go down along a little up. And then they changed the route to go up here, which makes it a bit more boring. But also makes it a bit interesting. It's like you get to see all the school buses and coaches throughout the morning. We're about to cross over in 50200 if I haven't already. Regardless, we'll cross over buses in town. I hope you enjoyed that spoken intro, by the way. Yeah, it's coming up to the end of, I think it's, I would say Gypsy Lane, it might be wrong. Yeah, Gypsy Lane. We're on to, I think, Exeter Road? Yeah, Exeter Road maybe. AP76. Just something going down Exeter Road to go to town. So we're not going past the leisure centre. I'm going to start doing those. I'll go back to another video intros because they seem rather like, ooh. Yeah. You want me to do these intros more often than just obviously comment down below, do them more often, or just, or if you don't like them then comment. If you like these intros, oh my, she's had a new logo. She actually has had a new logo put on her. Well, what I'm going to do is put these in my bag, obviously. Actually, I'll do that now on camera so you know. If you saw my card, then I hope it wasn't clear to read. Obviously that was a right disaster. If someone saw that and if someone who wants to steal my money was watching, then that would be a disaster. I might edit it. My phone did not want to. I'll just. I forgot. I'll record it into town, then I'll answer. I'll actually answer the call now. I think he's realised. I'll tell you what. See if I can wind it around the corner as well, that'd be nice. It is still town technically. We'll see, go. I want to see if I can wind it around the corner. I know this is my stop, but it might or might not be. Oh, good. Oh, what is my luck today? Yeah. How long have you got here?
I'm finished now, I'm going to break.
Okay.
Changing drivers, mate. You getting off the bus? Thank you.
Yeah. Would it be okay if I wait round the corner or not?
Thank you, we're changing drivers.
Okay. Obviously, I'll take that as a no. I only sit in service, so you shouldn't be kicking me off the bus. Unless it's because they're saying, right? Yeah. See, actually, what am I doing? I'll just stick to the road. There will see more buses. So it's just random water. Those are birds. Seems a bit different. I'm not sure why the atmosphere seems like a relaxed one. I'm not sure why it feels so different. What is our luck? What? I never thought I'd catch it on camera. I'll upload that as a YouTube short, definitely. Hope it's hilarious. Okay, dog. Let's hope beat the bus. Oh, hey, John. Anyway, let's stop mucking around. I need to get home. Oh no! Oh! What is this? I was lucky to catch that 57 on camera. That's 19321, I can tell by the engine. Or is it 19324? No, 19324 has a bit of an unravel. But 19321 has a bit of a higher pitch engine, a bit of a sad. Yeah, I have to have a look who that was. I know it's either 19321 or 324. Most likely be 19321. It's obviously when you get tickets for buses, you tend to see them. Well, all the time. You find them on the buses, then technically that's true. That's exactly what was happening earlier, and it was raining. Literally in the area. It wasn't raining though. It was actually dripping and made it feel like it was raining. Hello. What's she doing? Oh. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh. Hey. Oh. Hello. get you. Oh my god. Oh my god. She found. Oh my god. Whee! Whoa. Oi! Yes, I'm recording. Let me see what's under there. Oh. What's that? What's it? Right, anyway. Daisy, come. Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, what's this? What's this? Oh my. What's this? Oh my god. Oh my god. Up. Daisy. Up. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. What's under there? Sounds like she's found something. That's what I think it is. Food. That's what she's found. Oh my god. Oh my god. What's Nice tone from that way. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Uh-oh. Oh no. What's going on? Oh. No. Don't see that one. Wait. Oh no. No. What's this? What's this? Daisy. What's this? What's this? What's this? What's this? Hello, alright. No, she's like, ha. Oh no. Need to go upstairs. What's this? You try and get my dog away from this. What's this? What's this? Oh. No, not again. Oh. Oh no. Oh no. Nice two-tone from that train. Hey, what's this? Oh my god. Whee! What's this? What's this? No. No. Oh, I'm a seagull. Daisy, up. Oh, she did. Oh no. What's this? Oh no. What's this? Hello? Oh no. What's this? Oh my god. She's... Yeah. Oh my god. Whee! What's this? Oh my god. Daisy. Oh no. Oh no. What's this? What's this? You sent my photo picture so you can actually sniff it. Oh! 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 Oh my god. Oh! What's this? Oh! 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 Oh my god. Ah, ah. Oh! 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 Oh my! Oh no! Oh my! Oh! Oh! Yes. Oh no! Oh no! You're why the thing? Oh no! Oh no! What's this? What's this? Oh my god. Oh my god. What the hell? Oh my god. Woo! Daisy, come. Sis! Oh my god. Oh no, this isn't good. Wait, no way. Sorry about that. No. Oh my god. Oh my god. I need to watch her carefully out here. Oh my god. See that? Oh my. I'm all cleaned up. Let's see. That's just about coming up to a few. Just tell you what, I'm gonna stick it. What's this? Now, stick it cleverly hidden in the wall gaps there. Now she has to sniff it out. I'm sure yeah, what's this? She's found it. Oh yes. What's this? Very easy. Down. Sorry about that. What's this? Come on, go toilet. She's like, no, I want him out. Oh. How? Sorry about that. She's like, what's this? See how she... What's this? Daisy, up! Woo! Daisy, what's this? Up! Daisy, come, up! What's this? She's like, oh. Daisy, up! Here! Oh, God. Oh. Oh, no. Daisy! Daisy, come. Up here. Up here. Now. She's like, ate that. Woohoo! Hello? Up. Daisy. Daisy. Up the steps. Daisy, up. Oh my, yay. She's finally. I'll just tell you a bit more. Daisy, come. Here. She's like, no.